Have you ever wondered how your tongue helps you taste food? Your tongue is an extraordinary muscular organ that plays a crucial role in tasting, swallowing, and even speaking. Let's dive into how it functions. The tongue has taste buds primarily located on its surface. These buds detect 5 basic tastes: sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and umami. The tip of your tongue is sensitive to sweetness, while the back detects bitterness. Salty and sour tastes are identified along the sides. There are 3 main parts to your tongue: the tip, body, and root. The tip is highly movable and interacts with the front teeth during speech. The body forms the main part, covered with tiny bumps called lingual papillae. These bumps house thousands of taste buds. Finally, the root anchors the tongue to the bottom of the mouth. The muscles of your tongue are remarkable too. 4 extrinsic muscles control its position, while 4 intrinsic muscles shape it. This coordination allows for precise movements during eating and speaking. Understanding the tongue's vascular and nerve supply is vital. The external carotid artery supplies blood, while the hypoglossal nerve controls muscle movement. So, why is this important? The tongue does more than just taste. It aids in chewing, which begins the digestive process. It helps form a bolus or mass of food for swallowing. Not only does the tongue make food enjoyable, but it also removes unwanted particles and ill-tasting substances. How fascinating is that? To summarize, the human tongue is more than just a taste organ. It's a multifunctional tool that helps us enjoy food and communicate. Want to learn more about your amazing body? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content.